Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm coming down from the Seven Wells after I climbed up 500 steps. And it is Ramadan. Somehow, miraculously, I don't feel hungry and I don't feel tired. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. This is ni'mah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It doesn't mean every day is like this, but I was determined to come up and revise the Quran. I just wanted to check on you to see how you're doing in your Quran memorization or Quran revision. I know that sometimes it's difficult for people to memorize the Quran in the month of Ramadan. But for me, it was the same. You know, every Ramadan I revised. After Ramadan, I was memorizing. But I know some people that actually can memorize, no problem, in month of Ramadan. Whatever you're doing, revision or memorization, please don't stop. Please don't stop and continue going. Remember that this is a lifetime goal. It's not finish memorizing and you're finished. No, I just turned 74 and I know I got a long ways to go to revise. I got a long ways to go to revise, so I would do it. I just have to make sure these leeches won't stick to my feet because I would scream. They're actually not here. Anyway, just wanted to share with you this beautiful rainforest, as you have seen in my videos before, and wishing you a wonderful Ramadan and blessed days, blessed nights. May Allah accept it from all of us. Amin ya Rab.